Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is the 3rd day of February 2021. Here to give you all another update for XRP. Letting you all know something that has definitely changed since our last video. We're going to go into that momentarily, but before we do, if you guys appreciate getting the heads up as to where we're expecting price to be and how you can get in position, make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. We're here to make sure that we all capitalize on the lick. Also, if you guys want to see our stock price predictions, you can head on over to our second channel, HueFin News 2. Make sure you subscribe there in order to make sure you stay in tune of our stock price predictions. Now here we are. I mean, it's been 3 days since we did our video for XRP. As you all can tell, we expected the market to continue to go higher in price, and literally the trap moved the price the next day. Literally. Now, we had our TP around 55 cents, and the market in XRP shot exceedingly higher than that. I mean, the market topped out on the first day of February all the way up here around 75, almost 76 cents. Massive movement to the upside in XRP. And I know a lot of people were excited to see the market in XRP grab up there towards 76 cents. That's where greed kicked in. And look where we closed. We closed all the way at the bottom of the bar. That's why we only literally TP the market around 55 cents. Not to be greedy, but just to grab the profit. Just to take some of this lick off from the trap and place it right back into our accounts. So about 15% there. No issues with that, because if you held out until the close of the 1st of February, you would be down instead of up 22%. So that's why we emphasize, once you're in the market and you get out at profit, that is an exciting time. That is something that you need to be congratulatory over, because you took the profit right before the market dipped. If you timed it though, at the very high, I mean, you made about 57% profitability, which is great, positive. So let's get rid of that. Congratulations on those who was able to at least grab some of that profit out the market for Bitcoin. I'm sorry, for XRP. Now let's go ahead and talk about what really occurred in the market for XRP on the 1st of February, okay? Because look at the volume. I mean, the volume on that particular day definitely lets us know that someone, preferably someone with big pockets, came into the market and offloaded a lot of XRP tokens, and they sold it to a willing investment pool of individuals who expect the market price for XRP to go higher in price. This was a profit taking attempt and a dump with the volume. I mean, look at the volume from the 1st of February. Let's keep it real. Look at it. We haven't seen that much volume in XRP. What? Let me try to zoom out. And look what occurred the last time the market in XRP did that. That was on what, the 21st of September 2018. And look at the result. The market in XRP just continued to dip. So what do you expect the market to do now? So you expect it to continue to go lower, or you expect it to shoot back up higher in price? Because this was a major attempt to suppress price, especially since we closed on the low. Now, following that particular event, the market in XRP act like nothing even happened. I mean, we're still seeing it trade sideways. One thing that we're noticing though is that the market in XRP, there is no interest of higher price at the moment. And we would expect to see that, considering what occurred on the 1st of February. So right now, there's no interest into the market in XRP. And I also wanted to show you that this is the area of restriction going forward, which is around 39 cents. Okay. So let's go ahead and get rid of this 50-cent area. And we're going to follow the market right there around this 40-cent area for restriction. And support, as I zoom out, is still around 30 cents. Okay. Let me look at this on a 3-day time frame. So a major area of support is right there around 30 cents. Definitely the market wanted to hold 35, which has been successful on this last completed 3-day price bar, right? So far, I'm not seeing a lot of weakness into the market, albeit this 3-day time frame is definitely worrisome, considering that the market in XRP could have maintained that price at least above 40 cents or at least above 45. If we were to close above 45 cents, that would give me a little bit more confidence in stating that, yeah, we have another opportunity to see the market in XRP shoot higher in price. Seeing that we close at the low end of that particular 3-day price bar, I'm not so certain about that right now, and just keeping it real. So looking at the market in XRP on a weekly time frame, again, there's weakness here. Only thing that we could get out of XRP, the best thing that we can expect, is for this market to hold this range, right? This is the best thing that we're going to get, is for the market in XRP to trade sideways. Nothing more, nothing less. If we cannot get this market in XRP to trade sideways over the next couple of days to weeks, then we understand that the only option would be for the market to go lower, because the trap has already shown us on its attempt to go higher that the market definitely got walloped and is not ready to shoot higher in price at the moment. So right now we're looking for the market in the XRP just to hit this range between 40 cents. It might be around 45 all the way down to 30. That's the best thing that we can look for. Okay. And looking at the market on the monthly time frame, definitely we need to pay attention to that 60 cent area. That was restriction on the longer time frame. You guys can see it. Let me draw it for you. Okay. This is restriction. You guys can see it back here during September, October of 2018. The market couldn't break above it. We tried it again during November, December of last year. We couldn't do it. Now we're starting off the month of February not being able to do it. 60 cent long term is crucial. If the market in XRP was trading above 60 cent, that would be massive for us to at least get a better idea that the market in XRP is getting a little bit more demand. Like, we're seeing more market individuals to come into the market and push the price of XRP higher, but we're not even close to 60 cent no more. Okay. And then we need to pay attention to this area of restriction. Okay. Let's see if I could pretty much put it there. Okay. So this is the area of restriction, which is around 43, 45 cents. So all in all, I'm not really expecting a lot out the market in XRP at this particular time. So what we're going to do, we're not going to put in a forecast. I definitely want to watch the market and see whether or not we can actually push this price back up above this 40 cent area, preferably 45 cents for XRP. Okay, so we're not going to put a forecast in. It still needs to be watched and evaluated. You know, for us to see this much volume and the market not react negatively to it in the last 2 days is something positive to think about, but nothing to act on yet. So we're not going to put a forecast into the market for XRP. Just literally, I wanted to come in and give y'all an update of what we're expecting. And for the most part, it's just for this market to trade sideways in the next 3 days. And then from there, we should be able to give another prediction as to what the trap expects to do in the market. Now, I mean, you might see something totally different, which is fine. There is a comment section on this particular video. You guys can go ahead and put your comment there as to what you expect the market to do in the next 3 days. For us, we're just looking forward to trade sideways. So we're not going to put a prediction on this video. What will be your prediction though? What will you expect price to be in the next 3 days? And let us know. Let everyone know, what are you noticing on the chart? Make sure you maintain a profitability. Now you know what to do. Go trade different.